and welcome back to Indian Masterminds. My name is Bhakti Kothari and today I have a story that's going to surprise you. When you think of the top bureaucrat of a state, the person who calls the shots on everything from budgets to elections, you probably imagine someone with a fancy degree in economics, law, or public administration. But what if I told you that Goa's most powerful bureaucrat is a vet doctor? Yes, you heard that right. This is the story of Dr. V. Kandivolu, the vet who became the Chief Secretary of Goa and along the way shaped islands, elections, and an entire state's economy. So, who is Dr. V. Kandivolu? He is from the ACWIT cadre, that's short for Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram, and Union Territories, one of the most diverse administrative zones in India. He cracked the civil services way back in 1997, but what's fascinating is where he began. While most IAS officers are groomed in public policy or law, Dr. Kandivolu's roots are in animal health. He holds a master's in veterinary science, a law degree from Delhi University, a doctorate, and an MA in public policy from the Netherlands. So yes, he's literally a walking blend of technical knowledge, legal know-how, and policy sense. Now, before Goa came calling, he made his mark in the beautiful yet politically complex Union Territory of Puducherry. Back in February 2014, he became secretary to the government of Puducherry under the Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department. But Dr. V. Kandivolu is not the kind to just push files. He soon took on additional charge as the Chief Electoral Officer. At a time when voter turnout was dipping, he rolled out awareness programs that didn't just fill booths. They won him the Best Electoral Practices Award from the Election Commission in 2020. And he did not stop there. He brought sharper focus to rural development, revenue management, and environmental governance. Quiet departments? Maybe on paper, but in reality, they shape daily lives more than we realize. Next up, the stunning Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In April 2015, Dr. Kandivolu packed his learnings and moved to this fragile paradise. As commissioner cum secretary, he wore many hats: health, civil aviation, disaster management, parliamentary affairs, and even environment and forests. Balancing development and conservation in an ecologically sensitive zone is no cakewalk. But he did it. His efforts boosted the island's startup culture too, a rare achievement for a region often forgotten on India's entrepreneurial map. They even received a certificate of commendation for it. Then in June 2022, his files took on a new shape, marked by the familiar curves of Goa's beautiful coastline. As Principal Secretary Finance under Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant's government, he was tasked with steering Goa's entire fiscal policy, planning, industry, ports, statistics, river navigation, and even the world of handicrafts, textiles, and coal. But his influence did not end with spreadsheets and budget books. He led the Goa Institute of Public Administration and Rural Development, shaping new civil servants and frontline officers. As chairperson of the Goa Staff Selection Commission, he made recruitment more robust because who gets hired decides how well a state functions day to day. What I really admire is that he never forgets his veterinary roots. In 2023 on World Veterinary Day, he stood alongside experts and communities to strengthen rabies control programs, practical solutions for diseases that still haunt rural India. It's personal for him, and that shows. Dr. Kandivolu became the Chief Secretary of Goa, the first from his 1997 ACWIT batch to rise to the office. Today, Goa's administrative reins are in his hands. Finance, vigilance, mines and geology, forests, civil aviation, public-private partnerships, home affairs, personnel and administrative reforms, all of it. One of his big tests? Joining Chief Minister Sawant in Delhi for the pre-budget consultation with Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in mid-2024. While most states show up with the usual shopping lists, Dr. Kandivolu pushed for integrated infrastructure, better rail connectivity, smarter tourism projects, and stronger water security. This is how you build a state beyond its postcard beaches. And if you think Goa is the end of the line, think again. In May 2024, the appointments of the Committee of the Cabinet cleared his name for additional secretary-level postings at the centre. So yes, anytime now, Dr. Kandivolu could be called to serve the entire nation, and honestly, with his track record, he's ready. From vet doctor to lawyer, from policy scholar to island guardian, From election watchdog to budget architect, Dr. V. Kandivulu is a reminder that India's bureaucracy still has space for quiet leaders who blend files with fieldwork. Islands, forests, ballot boxes, budget books. His journey is stitched together by one idea: consistent, thoughtful leadership that puts people first. If you found this story inspiring, do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Indian Masterminds. I am Bhakti Kothari, and I'll be back soon with more stories of India's unsung changemakers. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and thank you for watching.